Hello guys, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss what is if else, what is the syntax of if else, then how to write and execute a program by using if else statement. So first of all, what is if else? So if else is a two-way decision making statement. So in this case what happens? First the condition is checked. If the condition is true, then the if block or if part gets executed. If the condition is false, then the else part is executed. So this is the syntax. So in this case what happens? First the if condition is checked. If the condition is true, then the if part is executed and else part is not executed. If the condition is false, then the if part is not executed and else part gets executed. So these are the statements available inside the if block or if body, and these are the statements available inside the else block or else body. So here you have to specify if condition, then colon, then your statements, then else, colon, then your statements. So we are going to write a program. So this is the problem. Write a program in Python to input price of a product, then calculate the discounted price and net price, provided that if price greater than equals to 2000, then discount is 35%, otherwise discount is 15%. So how to solve this problem? First of all, we have to input or read the price of the product. Suppose we are taking a variable that is price, that is float input, enter price of the product, enter price of the product. Then we have to give the condition, that is if price greater than equals to 2000, then your discount is that is price into that is 35% means 0.35. Then your net price or net underscore price equals to price minus that is discount or discounted price. So this is the if block. Then we have to define the else part, that is discount equals to that is price into that is for else part your discount is for 15%, that is 0.15 means 15%. Then net price, that is net underscore price equals to that is price minus that is discount. Price minus discount. Now we have to print the net price and discounted price. Now print, that is after else body you have to print, that is I want to print the price of the product first, that is price of the product, price of the product equals to that is price, then print discounted price equals to that is discount, then print net price equals to that is net underscore price. Let's run this code. First save this file. Suppose price.py. Now it is processed. It's the interrupt. So enter price of the product. Suppose you are entering that is 2500. So this is the discounted price, that is 875, and your net price is what, 1605. Okay, 1625. So we are entering, we have entered that is 2500. Now 2500 gets to inside where? Price variable. Now if price greater than equals to 2000, your price is what, 2500. 2500 greater than equals to 2000. Condition true. Condition true means this if block or if part gets executed, and else part is not executed. Now discount equals to price into 0.35 means what, 35%. So your price is what, 2500. 2500 into that is what, 0.35. So whatever discounted price means what, your 875 is to inside where? Discount variable. Like that, that is net underscore price equals to price minus discount. Your price is what, 2500 minus your discounted price is 875. Now 2500 minus 875. So your discounted or net price is what, net price is calculated, that is 1625 is to inside net underscore price variable. Now we have to print all values. Now print of the means price of the product equals to price, then print that is for a discounted price equals to discount, net price equal to net price. So this is the output. Your price of the product is 2500, discounted price is 875, and your net price is 1625. So thank you very much.